Do you record that or no?
I did get part of it. I did get part of the recording.
We can, okay, record this again, but we're gonna add more.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Alright, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay. Oh my. Wow.
I have a cooler idea. I'm going to unleash him.
Do you want to watch me do this one?
Oh my god! Oh wait, is that a two-seater?
No.
Can I make it a two-seater?
We can try. Yay!
Alright, let's do this. Let's do this.
3.
Get him!
2.
Hit the robot! Oh wait.
1.
Oh my god! Oh my god, you just left me! Oh my god, you just left me! And, oh my god! The robot? There's no robot with me. Where's the robot? You took the robot with you! You took him! Oh my goodness! He's stuck! Oh, poor guy.
Oh, I am in the map again.
Oh god, you just broke the robot.
I want to see the carnage of this. Of this monstrosity of a vehicle I made.
Well, you did this. And this is our little friend over here. Hey, dude. Look at our little friend.
He's stuck in the floor.
No, I don't even think he's 1PT anymore. You want me? Let me grab the crane. You want me to go pull him out?
Yeah. Oh, this is where I went through. Bounced off of here. Went this way, somewhere. You're gonna have to watch the video when I send it to you. The vehicle's stuck over here. Jeez.
I don't even think he knows how to stand up anymore.